Welcome to Solve It Like a Marketer. I'm Stephen Hobay. Today we're diving into your digital marketing strategy for Instagram. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't go away. Now this week I wanted to focus on one of my favorite platforms, Instagram. This is a fabulous tool to build your organization's profile and engagement. What this video won't cover is the setup of an Instagram account and its features. There are many videos on YouTube that cover this topic, so go crazy. I want to focus on creating your Instagram digital marketing strategy. Now, I've broken this down into 5 key elements. Number 1 is interest and goal setting. 2, timeliness, scheduling, and frequency. 3 is relationship building. 4, analytics. And 5, long-term planning. So let's dive in. So as I say, number 1 is interest and goal setting. So the most important aspect to consider first is whether Instagram is the right platform for you. So begin by taking a look at other businesses and organizations on Instagram and see what they're doing. Are they aiming to achieve the same types of goals that you are? And if so, how? Is it generating leads, building a community, or brand awareness? List out your top-level goals that you want to achieve. This will determine everything from your content strategy to how much time that you actually dedicate to the platform. So here are some examples. Product companies might encourage followers to check them out, especially if they are seeking similar products in their searches. Beauty brands sometimes focus on building a community by actively engaging with their followers. Local brick and mortar businesses often focus on keeping customers informed on promotions and discounts. And some brands simply use Instagram to showcase their team, customers, and take followers on a behind the scenes of their business. Now, as you can see, setting your goals is a balance between what you want to achieve and what your customers are looking for. So what are people interested in and how can you engage with them? It's really important to pick your niche and stick with it. Being too broad in your approach will merely confuse customers as to what your focus is. Number 2, timeliness, scheduling, and frequency. I cannot stress enough that when you post is paramount. You need to determine when your followers and potential followers are online and open to engagement. If your content is time sensitive, like say covering an event or a product release, make sure your social presence reflects this. Your posts need to be fresh and in the moment. Although some brands publish daily, don't sacrifice quality for quantity. Make sure each and every post has purpose. I also suggest using a scheduling program, of which there are quite a few. This way you can map out your posts for the next few days and then enjoy the ride. Number 3 is relationship building. So supporting your Instagram means showing up every day. It means checking in to see who is reaching out to you, which organizations you'd like to connect with, having a two-way dialogue. People need to believe that there is a person behind the account, not a computer pumping out posts. You need to humanize your Instagram as much as possible. This is how you build relationships and thereby a stronger following. Number 4 is analytics. I'm not going to spend too much time on this topic because I did a whole video on KPIs, key performance indicators, which I think you will find helpful. Suffice to say, it's important to track your progress. This will inform strategic adjustments along the way. Knowing who your audience is will help better shape your messaging. Number 5, long-term planning. So with digital marketing, you can't live in the moment, even if that's what you wish to convey to your followers. There needs to be careful planning in terms of what messages you disseminate, what visual creatives you are using, and what you hope to achieve in a given time frame. If you haven't checked it out already, I highly recommend you watch my video on the SMART approach to digital strategy, which will help you frame your goals. Now, Instagram is pretty powerful, giving you the option to create reels, post stories, and even longer format videos that run more than 60 seconds. And if you are thinking of developing a strategy around Instagram, take the time to really understand its full functionality, what it's capable of doing, and how this can benefit you. Figure out how much time you can actually dedicate to this per week and enjoy the process. This positive approach will reflect in your posts. My final word on Instagram is don't use it just because everybody else is. This is a fatal trap. Just because your next door neighbor is on Instagram doesn't mean that you should be too. If you approach it with this mindset, likely your account may begin to lag and ultimately gather dust. Know that once you make the decision to open an account, you're in it for the long haul. With social media, patience and consistency is the name of the game. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. You can also catch me on Instagram and Facebook for extra content and never miss an episode. The links are below. I'll see you every week with a new video, so please stay tuned. And together, let's solve it like a marketer.